selections. Watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails. Clear to go. All right. Sorry, I had a moment there. It was so beautiful. Please remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle and supervise those children. Everybody wave to the people on the dock. Because guess what? You're on a boat and they're not. Goodbye! Welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Cecilia, and I will be your skipper for as far as we get. So, everybody raise your hand way up in the sky and repeat after me. I will return. You don't sue me, you sue my lovely friend right here, right?
That's right.
Christmas presents on him, yay! No, I'm just kidding. Alright folks, to begin our journey, we are starting in the Amazon rainforest. And in the Amazon rainforest, it rains 365 days a year, which, you know, is almost every day. Except when there is a leap year, which we sometimes miss it. I don't know. But over here, we do have Inspiration Falls. Now, but you're wondering, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, thanks for asking. In the back, I'll tell you. It's because when you look into the water, it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Can I get a ooh? Can I get a ah? Y'all are so inspirational. I love it. Now, as we are leaving the lovely, lovely Amazon rainforest, we're now entering into the Congo River. Now, is this anybody's first time on the boat? Well, hey, it's my first time on the boat, so at least that's how far we can go, folks. Woohoo! Yay! Alright, right behind me is boats, baits, and bites. And if you see those three lovely boats behind me, you can rent those boats for a day. But either one you choose, it's really either or. Either or. Alright, right behind me is a giant snake. It is known as a python. It is a python because it is approximately 3.14159 meters long. Python. Yeah. Alright, moving along into the crazy Congo. Goodness gracious, what's going on over here? Oh, it's okay guys, it's just the gorillas. They're calling me shots over here. And man, oh man, they sure have gone all out on that Christmas blowout sale. Ka-chow. Oh, well, leaving the crazy Congo. We're now entering into the Nile River, and the Nile River is the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. And well, folks, if you don't believe me, well, then you're in. Nice try on a boat, though. I'll give you a point, though. Alright, folks, in the lovely, lovely Nile River, we have an African bull elephant. And I hear elephants have a really, really good memory. And I wish I had a memory like an elephant. That'd make my job a lot easier. But you know, does anybody know how to make an elephant float? No, well, you add a lot of ice cream to it, that's what you do. Oh, it's funny, it's okay, you can laugh, guys. You get paid to laugh. Alright, right here we have one of our boulder attractions. Please don't take it for granted. It is sandstone. Oh, goodness gracious, that was terrible. Alright, right here we have the African veldt. And in the African veldt are my three long-necked cheetah friends back here. And those striped horsies, I like to call them three striped horsies. And these friends, well, actually, I don't know who they are right there. You know, I think they're pretty new. Oh, with the G, I don't know. Although I will say, prior to 6, your party is ready. Zebra on the rocks, anyone? Although it might leave you dead, tired. Because that zebra sure is dead. Dead, sleepy, tired, R.I.P. Anyways, moving on. What do we got going on over here? I don't know about you guys, but I will say that's a pretty interesting way to decorate a holiday tree. You know, they really got up on a limb with all that, with their ups and downs. But you know what I told them? I said, guys, don't argue with the rhino! They never get their point across! But, what a rhino! I will say, those decorations almost look humanly. But you know what? What a rhino! Alright, folks, right behind ourselves, or in front, depending on where you're sitting, is my two best friends in the entire jungle, Smiley and Ginger. Ginger is the smallest. Now be careful. Ginger does snap, but she is one tough cookie. Alright, folks, if we do look in front of ourselves, we'll see something spectacular, miraculous, and beautiful. That's right, Skip isn't yet out yet. No, I'm kidding. It's Kaiser Falls. Kaiser Falls is named after the Albert Falls. I hope Albert got up there. If you look up on the side, it's okay. The place was right off for you. Oh, now we're entering into a home away from home vacation spot. tickets are typically half off, and you do get a groundbreaking result in the end. Talk about holiday travel, am I right, folks? Woo! But speaking of groundbreaking results, we're now entering into the hippo pool. Let's see if we can find any hippos today, y'all. Ah, there you are. Look at all of them. You know, you see hippos wiggle their ears at this time of the year because they're trying to get warm and not get hypothermia. Maybe you can't get. And it's a big mouthful, I see. Now, they always seem to be charging the boat folks, but it's okay. We only take cash. Now, most people come over to me and say, you know, Skipper Cecilia, your job is so easy that even monkeys can do it. And I look them right in the eye and I go, guys, those are apes. Look at them. You know, the amount of time I've seen them today circling and circling the last 7 hours, they've gotten scarier and scarier. Goodness gracious, it's in my nightmares. But it looks like our monkeys broke for the boat and broke into our lunch crate. And we are having bread and butter bars for lunch today. But I don't know, they could just be winging it for food. I don't know. All jokes aside, folks, there is only one reason each and every one of you come to this Jungle Cruise boat. And that is to see the eighth wonder of the world. The amazing, spectacular, give me a drum roll, please. The black side It's funny because that is a chemical joke I like to say periodically. I'm so funny, I should be a skipper. Alright, anyways, moving on. We're now into the Mekong River. And in the Mekong River straight ahead is Shirley's Temple. Fairly certain that temple is surely all there. And it looks like Santa Claus put in some Christmas decor and presents around, but I think Santa lost his hat along the way. So, everybody keep an eye out for Santa's hat, and I'm going to steer us through this temple. All they get to do your boat backwards? I want to do my boat backwards. Bye, everybody. Bye, Joey. Everyone say bye, Joey.
Bye, Joey. Bye on every long Saturday.
Come back someday. All right, folks, did we enjoy our Jungle Cruise boat so far today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let me say that again. Did we enjoy our Jungle Cruise boat today? Yes. Yes. All right. Let's get you on out of here, folks. I know you've been in this boat with me for 10 hours, and I won't make you stay for 11. That'd be a full-time job, right? As we are approaching the boat, please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop.